everyone, it's Jessica Wallace with Coldwell Banker in Santa Cruz. Today I'm here with Matt Falconer with O2 Mortgage.
Hello.
I was talking to Matt the other day and he showed me a really neat way to estimate what your tax savings are when you buy a home. When you buy a home, you can write off all of your property tax and the interest that you pay on a loan. So Matt's going to show us a scenario and how it could work for a buyer.
Yes, thank you. First of all, we're not tax advisors, so this is just in general how it works, but talk to your specific CPA because we're not offering tax advice. We just want to illustrate how the homeowner exemption works here. So in our scenario, we have an $800,000 purchase price of a home here in Santa Cruz. We're putting 20% down. That makes the loan amount $640,000, and we're using a 4% interest rate, just to ballpark the payment there. So the 4% interest rate on the $640,000 loan puts our payment at $3,056 for the mortgage only. We're estimating $75 for insurance, and the property taxes per month are $833. That puts our total payment, our actual payment, at $39.64. So how do these tax breaks work? That's the question here. Well, what's deductible, just like Jessica said, is the interest you pay per year and your property taxes per year. And that totals $35,000, a little over $35,000. So in our scenario, we've got the $800,000 house and a couple that earns $120,000 per year. Now their tax rate is 33%. So that means they owe the government $39,600 per year when they don't own a home. But on this side of the equation, they do own a home because they bought this $800,000 house. They have a tax break now of $35,600. They still get to pay their taxes, but their taxable liability to the government is now only $27,000 versus the $39,000 it was before. That's an annual tax break of $11,750. Monthly, that works out to $979. So if you take this money and apply it to pay your mortgage, which you can do, it's going to feel like a lot lower. $29.85 is what your payment's going to feel like on an $800,000 house with 20% down. That's how the tax break works. So, Jessica, we all know that rent is a little more expensive here than $3,000 per month in Santa Cruz, but it's a great reason to buy a home.
Thanks. Yeah, if you're renting a home in Santa Cruz, any decent home is definitely going to be over $3,000 a month at this point. So this is a really neat scenario that shows you what it would actually look like to buy an $800,000 home at this income and what you're really going to be paying per month. So if you have any questions and you want us to run a scenario for what your income is and what your potential tax breaks could be when you buy a home, feel free to give me or Matt a call. My number is 831-419-9345.
My phone number is 831-435-9197. Thank you.
Thanks.